Hey guys, today we are working on that 2011 Silverado I was telling you about. I've already done a little bit of work to it. I've already done the driver's side engine mount. Next is going to be the SERP belt, idler pulley, and belt tensioner. Passenger side engine mount, that one's a little bit harder to get at. All right, guys, thought I'd give a close-up update on how we're doing on this right now. Got the new idler pulley on, belt tensioner is off, and the engine mount is on its way out. It is very hard to see in there, and it's very hard for me to even get in there. I'm kind of working blind, so I'm thankful for the experience I've got with that. And I gave the alternator little spray just because it was kind of, well, not bad noisy, but it was kind of now it is not. I like that. We also greased the hinges, gave this little spray, kind of just working everything up, because when we first got our hands on this truck, this did not want to move, and it kind of felt like the hood was going to buckle. So we're doing pretty good. Yeah, and the trailer and the truck are here for the track day tomorrow. Welcome to my domain. Doing my best to kind of get a video or get a show of what we're doing here. So yeah, this is what we're doing right now. And as you, ooh, rust, yummy. As you can see, it is very tight and it's hot. But with the starter out of the way and a little ingenuity, I have managed to get at the lower bolts. Now I think there's still a third upper one. Oh no, there's the four. That's right, there's four. So these ones up here are going to be a little bit more difficult to get at, I think. Definitely. I might be able to get at that one from the top. But at least got the lower ones loosened.